In today's video, let's talk about growing and harvesting bottle gourd and what is 3G cutting. Bottle gourd is a summer growing vegetable. You can soak the seeds in the water overnight to speed up the germination process. Selecting the right location for your bottle gourd plant is highly important. Each plant needs a lot of room to grow, so your bottle gourd should be grown in open and sunny location. Sow the seeds directly in the raised bed or in the container. The seed will germinate within 7 to 10 days. As these are heavy climbers, you need to have a strong trellis support for them to grow. This plant belongs to the cucumber family, so it needs plenty of water during the growing season. To get the healthy gourd production, water at least 1 inch per week. Now let's talk about the soil fertility. If you plant your seedling directly in a good rich soil, like soil amended with compost, manure or worm casting, then the plant should not require any additional fertilizer throughout the growing season. If you notice any yellow leaves or any other signs of nutrition deficiency, then apply a liquid fertilizer that immediately the plant takes in. If you are applying a fertilizer to your bottle gourd plant, go with the fertilizer which has high in phosphorus and high in potassium than nitrogen. The excess nitrogen will encourage more leaves than producing more bottle gourds. The next common question I often get is, can we grow this bottle gourd in the container? Yes, absolutely, you can grow it in the container, but make sure that your container is deep enough and also plant just one seed per container. Now let's talk about pollination. Sometimes the female flowers drop off without growing into a bottle gourd. This is mainly due to the failure of pollination. If you have lack of pollinating insects in your garden, then you can hand pollinate the gourds by yourself. Some of the common problem of bottle gourds are, say if your bottle gourd is small, immature gourds are falling off, then usually this is due to the lack of sufficient nourishment or watering. In this case, apply some liquid manure or compost tea to the plant so that it reaches down to the roots. Another problem is rotting. Say that your gourds are quite small and turns yellow, rots at one end and eventually it falls off. This may be due to the waterlogging or imperfect pollination. Say if your plant is not producing enough bottle gourds, then try 3G cutting. But what is 3G cutting? 3G cutting means third generation branches. First, the main stem, which is the first generation, is pruned in the top. This main stem mostly develops male flowers. Then, the side branches which comes out after trimming the main stem is also trimmed out, which is the 2G cutting. Now the third generation branches comes out by trimming the 2G side branches. This third generation side branches contain more female flowers which later develops into bottle gourds. So from different agricultural practice, what they have proved is before 3G cutting, the ratio of male and female flower is 14:1. After the 3G cutting, the ratio is 1:1. As a result, the production of 10 plants equivalent to 1 plant after the 3G cutting. This is the first time I'm trying 3G cutting. I'm seeing more flowers developing and I would highly recommend you to try this method if you are growing bottle gourd in your garden. So you can harvest a lot of bottle gourds from a single plant. Now let's talk about harvesting. The best stage to harvest is when your bottle gourd have soft, smooth surface and you can push your fingernail through the skin. After harvesting, you can wrap the bottle gourd in a paper and you can refrigerate up to 4 weeks. I hope this video was helpful. If you are growing bottle gourd in your garden, do try the 3G cutting this year and see how much bottle gourds you produce compared to last year and this year after doing the 3G cutting. Thanks for watching the video. See you in another episode of gardening. Thank you.